Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are going to discuss gas paper of chemistry today for class 10th. We will discuss some multiple choice questions, then short question, and at the end we will discuss some long questions that are important for the paper of chemistry. MCQ number 1. Units of Kc in equation H2 plus I2 gives 2HI is. Option A, mole per decimeter cube. Option B, per mole decimeter cube. Option C, mole cube decimeter. Option D, no units. The correct answer is no unit. MCQ number 2. Reaction in which products recombine to form reactants is called. Option A, reversible reaction. Option B, irreversible reaction. Option C, forward reaction. The correct answer is reversible reaction. MCQ number 3. A base is a substance which neutralizes an acid. Which of these substances is not a base? Aqueous ammonia. Option B, sodium chloride. Option C, sodium carbonate. Option D, calcium oxide. The correct answer is sodium chloride. MCQ number 4. The conjugate base of H2O positive is. Option A, H2O. Option B, OH negative. Option C, H3O positive. Option D, H3O negative. Correct answer is H2O, water. MCQ number 5. Class formula of primary alcohol is. Option A, R bond CH2 bond OH. Option B, R bond CH bond OH. Option C, R bond CH bond OH2. Option D, R bond O bond R. Correct answer is R bond CH2 bond OH. MCQ number 6. Dash are called paraffins. Option A, alkanes. Option B, alkenes. Option C, alkynes. Option D, alkyl. Correct answer is alkanes. MCQ number 7. Global warming causes rising of the sea level. The cause of global warming is. Option A, carbon dioxide gas. Option B, sulfur dioxide gas. Option C, nitric acid. Option D, O3 gases. Correct answer is CO2 gas, carbon dioxide gas. MCQ number 8. Which one of the following is not a characteristic of monosaccharide? Option A, white crystalline solids. Option B, soluble in water. Option C, hydrolyzable. Option E, reducing in nature. Correct answer is hydrolyzable. MCQ number 9. The nitrogen pressure in urea is used by plants to synthesize. Option A, sugar. Option B, proteins. Option C, fats. Option D, DNA. Correct answer is proteins. MCQ number 10. Cloud method is used to remove the hardness of water. In this method is used. Option A, CaHCO3 twice. Option B, calcium zeolite. Option C, sodium zeolite. Option D, CaOH twice. Correct answer is CaOH twice. MCQ number 11. Presence of dash ions in water results in a rapid growth of algae is. MCQ number A. NO3 negative, PO4 3 negative. Option B, Br negative, Cl negative. Option C, Cl negative, SiO3 2 negative. Option D, SO4 2 negative, CO3 2 negative. Correct answer is NO3 negative, PO4 3 negative. MCQ number 12. Petroleum fraction having composition C5 to C7 is called. Option A, petroleum gas. Option B, petroleum ether. Option C, gasoline or petrol. Option D, kerosene oil. Correct answer is petroleum ether. Now we will discuss some important short questions. Question number 1. Write down 2 properties of reverse reaction. Question number 2. Write down the uses of sodium chlorate. Question number 3. How can you know that a reaction has achieved an equilibrium state? Question number 4. Give uses of calcium chloride. Question number 5. What is meant by active mass? Also write its unit. Question number 6. How many times the solution of pH 1 will be stronger than that of a solution having pH 2? Question number 7. What is meant by equilibrium? Give an example. Question number 8. What is neutralization method for preparation of salt? Question number 9. What is meant by essential amino acids? Question number 10. What do you know about hydrogenation of alkenes? Question number 11. Define reducing sugar with example. Question number 12. What is difference between aromatic and alicyclic compounds? Question number 13. Which compounds are called amines? Question number 14. What are hydrocarbon compounds? Write 2 examples. Question number 15. Name 2 fatty acids with their formulae. Question number 16. Write general formula for saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbons. Question number 17. What do you meant by polar nature of water? Question number 18. What role is played by pine oil in the froth flotation process? Question number 19. Give 2 disadvantages of hard water. Question number 20. How aquatic life is affected by acid rain? Question number 21. Why a small amount of coke is used in melting process? Question number 22. What are non-polar compounds insoluble in water? Question number 13. Define gang. Question number 14. What are primary pollutants of air? Give an example. These are the important short questions. Now we will discuss some important long questions. State the law of mass action and derive the expression for equilibrium constant for a general reaction. What is a salt? Give preparation of insoluble salts in detail. What is acetylene? Give 2 methods for the preparation of alkynes. Explain the sources and uses of lipids. Explain electrorefining process of copper. What is meant by soft and hard water? Give causes of hardness. These are some multiple choice questions, short and long questions related to paper preparation. Hope it will be helpful for you. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.